Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a truly unique bowl of oatmeal. We will start with the simple, wholesome base, ensuring a perfect texture every time. Then, we will dive into some imaginative and perhaps surprising ways to elevate your breakfast experience, adding a playful twist to your morning routine. Get ready to transform ordinary oats into something extraordinary and memorable. To begin our oatmeal adventure, gather your essential ingredients. For one serving, you will need exactly 1/2 cup of traditional rolled oats. Next, measure out 1 full cup of your chosen liquid. Water works well, or use milk for a creamier texture. Finally, a small pinch of salt is crucial, as it subtly brightens all the flavors in your finished dish, making every spoonful more enjoyable. Now, let's cook our oatmeal to perfection. Pour your measured oats, liquid, and that tiny pinch of salt into a small saucepan. Place it on the stove over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil, stirring every so often to prevent sticking. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the oats have absorbed the liquid and reached your desired creamy consistency. With your perfectly cooked oatmeal ready, it is time for the truly unique Junpei Zaki twist. Serve your warm oats in a bowl, then let your imagination run wild with unconventional toppings. Consider adding a small dash of your favorite hot sauce for a surprising kick, or perhaps a thin slice of pickle for an unexpected tangy crunch. This approach encourages playful experimentation, transforming your breakfast into a delightful and memorable culinary adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.